Hi guys, in this video we'll be talking about RISE Ultimate Project Management System, Project Manager, a CRM, Customer Relation Management, a powerful all-in-one project management, a CRM system you can install on your server. It lets you manage projects, clients, tasks, invoice, teams, and it supports, our support tickets that you can use to, if there's any issue, uh, when somebody is, maybe you want to sell as a service, they can contact you via the support ticket and you can answer it. And yeah, it also has time tracking where everything is in one single dashboard. Now, this is perfect for freelancers, business who want to organize work efficiently and professionally. So this video is just a demo walkthrough for help. And if you need help with installation, contact me via this on the screen. Maybe you want to customize, you want the pricing support, just contact me via this on the screen, and I'll help you out with getting it installed. Now let's dive in. Now, starting with this is dashboard. This is what you'll be getting as well, alongside if you have a domain and hosting to be installed on it. This is events, where if you have any event that you want to set, you can do that here. You set an event, track how the event is performing. It is let me I have to sign in 1 second. So now yeah, the event is loading, so you can set events. Maybe there's a leadership summary, you have a calendar that can always remind you. You can set the type of event, you can add it to monitor how events, maybe any event that having maybe around the company that you're having in a week or in a month. This is perfect for that. And you can also add details for clients, customers that you have their details, have it stored, maybe their emails, their address, and every other thing. That's a project option. Maybe there's a client that wants to give a project, or there's a project wants to pitch to a client. This is where you put the project. Or if there's an ongoing project brought in by a client, you can put it here. Tax, tax that you need to do, how to make sure that everything you are doing is ongoing. Maybe you want to do this, you want to reach out to somebody. Is a tax that you need to set that can always remind you later. Leads is one a potential contact you get that comes to a prospect that can convert to sales. Obviously, subscription is a SaaS option whereby you can sell as a service, people can use it, and can pay you monthly for it. This is where you check your sales and estimate. If you have estimate, you can put your estimates here. Also proposal, also notes, also messages. You can check what messages are coming in. So everything is here, and you can see everything is in one dashboard. You don't have to stress yourself about moving out or connecting anything. Everything is here already. So you can also assign team. Anybody that you want to use the software, you can assign maybe roles to use the software. Use all the ticket that I mentioned. If you are sending out a service, anybody that's using the software can always, when there are issues, can guide them on how to use it. So this is perfect CRM, like I said, project management system, a perfect CRM that can use for business. The freelancer can use it. You guys to manage your clients and projects, a lot of them. So if you need to get this done, let me know. Contact me via this on the screen, and it's ready for you, an affordable fee, and it will be done in 48 hours. So I'll see you in my next video, and don't forget to like this video. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.